I don't believe in motivation. I think motivation is rubbish, and it really annoys me when people say, Vishen, are you a motivational speaker? The people you bring to Mindvalley, is that a motivational platform? No, I dislike motivation. Now, let me tell you why. And it goes back to a conversation I had with Michael Beckwith, right? Michael Beckwith, who's our featured teacher this week on Mindvalley. Michael Beckwith says that all of us can live life in one of two ways. We can live life where our vision for what we want out of life has come from an outside source, and therefore we need to be pushed towards this vision. That pushing is called motivation. So if you're trying to get to that next benchmark at a job that you really don't care about, but you need the title, you need the salary, you need motivation to work hard to get there. But he says that that is a very limited way of living life. To truly succeed in life, you don't want to be pushed towards your vision. You want the vision to pull you. Rather than being pushed, you are pulled by the vision. Now, when you're pulled by a vision, you don't need motivation. You wake up every day already inspired, already jumping for joy to take the right actions towards that vision. So what is the difference? Well, it has to do with how we set goals. Too many of us set goals not because these goals are coming from within us, but because these goals are coming from outside. We set these goals not because they make us happy, but to make someone else happy. So that is the difference between needing motivation, needing to be pushed, versus having visions for ourselves that pull us forward. So how do you get there? Well, this is the idea that Beckwith suggests. It's called inspired intention. Too many of us, when we set goals, we simply write down the goals that we think we need to attain to check off the criteria of being successful, or to check off the criteria of being the noble son, or to check off the criteria of conforming to society's rules about some bullshit idea of graduation or degree, or any other one of those boxes that society tries to place you in. Instead, Beckwith says, go within, listen, seek your own inspiration. Now, this means listening to those still voices within. You could call those voices creativity, you could call those voices intuition, but either way, those voices inspire you on your next action, and your next action may have nothing to do with what society is saying you need to follow. That is inspired intention. Your intention isn't coming from what they say. Your intention is coming from your inspiration. Thus, it is inspired intention. So, Michael Beckwith preaches that the problem with modern goal setting is that we often set goals to please other people or because of the influence of other people. He says that we are open to less than 1% of what our souls really need us to do in the world. Now, when you practice Beckwith's process of visioning, you tap into that inspiration and you use that inspiration to drive your intention. That is inspired intention. I learned this idea from Michael Beckwith, who's one of our most popular teachers here at Mindvalley. So if you find these ideas interesting, if you'd like to learn how to tune in and how to figure out and create visions for your life that are aligned with your soul purpose or your life purpose or what truly makes your heart sing, join me and Michael Beckwith on this masterclass on Mindvalley. The information is in the description section of this video. Go ahead, sign up, and we'll see you there.